cutest talking squirrel. This is Anthony Globo YouTuber, so I hope you like this video. So this is for YouTube, so wait a second. Hey, I'm talking squirrel. Hey, have you seen my friend Birdie? I know, I seen him somewhere. Oh, I'll go get him. Hey, I'm talking Birdie. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do to you for doing that, Birdie? Oh, that stinks. You know what? Listen to this. Listen, fart. That's the end of Birdie talking.